Hello, and welcome to BlueLavaMedia.com. I'm Jason Levancher, Vice President and founder of RTV Incorporated at RealTourVision.com and founder of Blue Lava Media. RTV was launched in 1999 as a software service for professional photographers offering real estate photography and virtual tour services to real estate agents. Present day, the RTV system supports hundreds of real estate photographers, and RTV has become a national photography service for national hotel chains, restaurants, senior centers, medical facilities, and more. Each day at RTV, I speak with realtors from all over the world looking to connect with one of our local real estate photographers. One of my favorite things to ask them is what they want most. Would you like to get more real estate listings? Or how about faster closings? Maybe it's higher selling prices. Whatever the case may be, what if I told you that by using Blue Lava Media's professional photography and unique services, you would increase your odds of getting all three of these? To take a closer look, let's ask ourselves first, why professional photography? Well, homes sell faster. Statistically, listings with professional photographs sell 32% faster than listings that don't have professional photography. Homes sell for more money. Homes between $200,000 and $1 million that include professional photos actually sell for $3,000 to $11,000 more than homes without professional photography. And finally, agents offering professional photography win more listings. A recent study by Redfin showed that homes with professional photos get 61% more views. Today's sellers prefer agents who provide them with professional photography services. Imagine including statistics like this in your next listing presentation. I always like to encourage real estate agents to Google professional real estate photography statistics on your own. Just look at some of the overwhelming facts that you're going to find by big companies like Redfin, NAR, Zillow, Inman, and all the others. The statistics are overwhelmingly in favor of integrating professional photography into your marketing plan as soon as possible. So, why Blue Lava Media for your professional photography and aerial drone services? The answer is simple. All of our photo and drone packages include services that help boost your marketing efforts. And best of all, they're at no additional cost. Our Boost marketing services are built on a foundation of professional still photography. Our TrueBlue Plus photography is hands down some of the best real estate photography you're going to see. With Blue Lava Media, you also get our Blue Sky guarantee, and that means we'll include a free sky replacement with every shoot. When we deliver your photos to you via email, you'll immediately notice that we've also included links to a branded and a non-branded virtual tour. When clicked, the branded virtual tour will display the property photos along with your name, photo, and contact information, while the non-branded tour only shows the property photos. Our virtual tours are 100% HTML5 and fully responsive. The tours work great on mobile devices and utilize 1080 adaptive streaming technology. So, if you did order a drone or video to accompany your tour, the video clips will play back nicely, even on slower 3G connections. You're going to want to share your virtual tour links across all of your websites. This means posting your tour on your personal site, your blog, your company website, and don't forget to post your tour links to your social sites. We'll send your virtual tour links to the MLS for you. From there, the national portals like Realtor.com, Homes.com, Zillow, Redfin, Trulia, Movoto, and all the others will pick up your virtual tour links from the MLS, and your production will appear across the web. When visitors click on your production on any of the national portal sites, your branded virtual tour will open up, giving you a marketing boost. Next up is my personal favorite, and it's our weekly sellers report. Every Monday, you'll receive a full breakdown in your virtual tour's performance across all the sites that it's been posted to. You'll see the top referring websites, unique visitors, repeat visitors, the average time spent on your virtual tour, the most popular scenes within the production, how many people are looking at your tour on a tablet versus a desktop computer, and so much more. The seller's report makes for a great communication tool, and we encourage you to forward it to your seller each week that we send it to you. They're sure to be impressed by your weekly updates and unique marketing tool. Now that your virtual tour has been placed on as many sites as possible, we're going to kick up the marketing of your listing even more by posting it to our Tour Grand Traverse blog and e-blasting it out to over 1,000 local area realtors via our hot sheet. By blogging your listing, we're building strong backlinks to your production So when someone Googles that property address, it's likely to rank naturally in the search engines, increasing both listing visibility and, of course, your brand awareness. Those of you that take out digital ads for their listings or use any form of print marketing are highly encouraged to use our included short URL within the ad copy. This will take up minimal ad space and can be used to drive traffic from your listing ads directly to your virtual tour. The best part is that your weekly sellers report will show you exactly how many people use your short URL to get to your tour, so you'll be able to intelligently justify the spend for each of your marketing outlets. All of our virtual tour productions come with two forms of lead capture turned on by default. The first is a standard Contact Us form. The second is our like button found in the upper right corner of the virtual tour. When a visitor clicks the like button, a simple form pops up asking if they'd like to request more information. The like click is tallied and will show up on your weekly sellers report. When any of our forms are filled out, the lead is immediately sent to you. While all of our professional photography and aerial drone packages are white glove and require little to no effort on your end, we still have some customers that would like to do their own voiceovers, price changes, music selections, narrations, photo arrangements, and scene naming. If you're one of those people that would like to be more hands-on with your virtual tours, just ask us for access to your Blue Lava Media client portal and we'll give you your username, password, and a short video tutorial to help you get started with making simple changes and edits to your virtual tour productions. Blue Lava Media's attention to detail and quality has been recognized by Zillow, and we were awarded the Zillow Select status in 2017. This means that when you order any of our aerial drone or interior video products, they will be uploaded to Zillow on your behalf. This means one less thing for you to worry about when it comes to marketing your listings. While most of our photography packages include our popular listing exposure engine, our basic photography package and our standalone drone packages do not, though it can be added for $35. Our exposure engine is a must-have and includes the creation of a YouTube video, our social media blast of your listing to Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Google, our Blue Lava home site URL for you to use on your social sites, a printable flyer, QR code for print marketing, and an e-brochure, and even more valuable lead capture tools. Our exposure engine means more eyeballs on your listings and your brand. While those are our top boost marketing services included with our photography and drone packages, we do offer several other paid boost marketing services and add-ons, such as virtual staging, social media video files, interior drone fly-throughs, single property websites, AstroZoom space to Earth flyovers, and more. Be sure to ask us what other marketing services could be beneficial to your listing on a case-by-case basis. Next, let's take a look at pricing. First up is our Blue Lava Basic, coming in at $125. The Blue Lava Basic includes up to 25 True Blue Plus still photos and 1 panoramic image. You can also get that package with just 25 still photos only. This package includes the virtual tour links, both branded and non-branded, as well as our boost marketing services. It does not include the exposure engine, but that can be added on for $35. Our deluxe package for $230 comes with 40 to 49 photos, and you're able to choose between panoramic or True Blue Plus photos in this package. It includes the virtual tour links as well as all of our boost marketing services. Our full house tour for $250 comes with 50 to 60 images in total. Again, you're able to choose between panoramic or True Blue Plus still photos, and includes the virtual tour links as well as all of our boost marketing services. Next up, we have our interior drone fly-through add-on for $150. No, don't worry, the drones aren't flying loosely through the home. They're securely tethered to our signature Skywalker 4K devices. We control the drones throughout the entire production, giving you and the home seller peace of mind. The interior drone fly-through comes with up to 2 minutes of interior drone footage that gets mixed into your final virtual tour presentation. Let's take a look at exterior packages and pricing. When deciding which one of our aerial drone packages is right for you, it's important to know that a drone video is made up of several video scenes. Each video scene will be about 5 to 8 seconds long, so a 30-second drone video could showcase up to 4 to 6 scenes, where a 3-minute video could have more than 20 video scenes. Make sure you choose your package carefully so we don't have to reshoot. Our first 2 packages are perfect for those of you looking to only showcase aerial drone photography and video and still take advantage of our boost marketing services. Our Highlights Drone Tour is $200 and can be purchased with 10 aerial still photos only or with 5 aerial still photos and up to 30 seconds of video. It also includes our virtual tour links and boost marketing services. Our Premier Drone Tour is $259 and includes up to 3 minutes of aerial drone footage and up to 20 aerial still photos. Our Premier Drone Tour also comes with our virtual tour links and boost marketing services. Our next 2 drone offerings are designed as an add-on to accompany your still photography and virtual tour package. First up is our short add-on drone for $150. Our short add-on drone comes with up to 1 minute of aerial drone footage and up to 6 aerial still photos. The media is delivered to you and mixed into your final virtual tour production. Finally, our long add-on drone is available for $259 and comes with up to 3 minutes of aerial drone footage and up to 20 aerial still photos. Again, the media is delivered to you and mixed into your final virtual tour production. On behalf of the entire team over at Blue Lava Media, I'd like to personally thank you for watching our presentation today on our professional photography, aerial drone, and boost marketing services. Since 2007, Blue Lava Media has been Northern Michigan's #1 source for the very best real estate photography, virtual tours, and aerial drone productions. We're constantly adding in new value-added boost marketing services for our customers, as well as exploring new products and services we feel could benefit you. Incorporate our professional photography and boost marketing services into your listing presentations today so you can win more listings, sell faster, and for more money. Please visit our website at bluelavamedia.com for a complete list of professional photography and marketing solutions. Thanks for your support.